Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who might be new here, I have some new subscribers. I think you may have come from my recent Instagram giveaway. Perhaps one of your friends tagged you in my giveaway from Instagram and you headed here and subscribed to my channel. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Gabriella. I don't think I've ever formally introduced myself on here, but yeah, I'm happy to have you here. So this is my design team project for On a Whimsical Adventure. And the kits that I used for my project were the Stardust junk journal kit and the astronomy card set. And the astronomy card set, actually, I had seen first, and it's a beautiful set of illustrations by the late, great J.J. Granville, who was an illustrator from the 1800s, and he makes the most amazing, you have to check out his illustrations. So he has this set that is sort of like a celestial theme, and then he has like this crazy anthropomorphic set of illustrations, and then these like flower people. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, Google it. Super cool illustrator from the 1800s, and I'm obsessed with his artwork. So I thought that these two sets would go really well together and accent each other, and so Anya just did an amazing job with both of the sets, really. But the Stardust junk journal kit, you can see here, the images that she puts together are so vibrant and beautiful, and just look at those angels. I just love all of these things together. So I don't want to talk through everything, but I just want to note that I used, her kits come with like page spreads, so you can print out one paper and then fold it in half, and then that's sort of like, it could be like a page in your signature of your junk journal. And so I like to print those out, and then I'll print another one on the back side so that they're double-sided. I also use a lot of the embellishments from the embellishment pages, so I like to just print those out and cut them out and either clip them in, like you will see this next little piece here. This is run from one of the embellishment papers. So I like to clip those in, or just, do something fun and funky with them within the journal. So you'll kind of see little cutout pieces throughout. And to the right here is one of those papers where you would fold it in half. It's kind of like a pre-made page. And she just does really amazing graphics. And that one was printed on coffee dyed paper just to look a little old. This is from, that little ticket is from one of the embellishment sheets too. Let me just note too that I included some artwork. This is a book page from a book of paintings, and I included it because there's a lot of like ethereal clouds and sort of like dark like weather imagery in here. So I just kind of thought that went well with the celestial theme of the Stardust kit. And this is just some French ephemera. I included this because of the purple ink on the ephemera. But yes, so I tried to use as much of the Stardust kit as possible, and all the embellishments and things you'll see. This is one from the embellishment sheet as well. It's sort of like constellations, or it says something about like astrology. So yeah, I don't want to talk your ear off. I really don't. So just make sure to check out the kits on Etsy, and you can see for yourself how beautiful the images are. And I guess just the last thing I want to note is that I embellished this journal with, just lots of glitter and little pearl accents and things, just to enhance sort of like the starry and night sky sort of feel. There's a little bit of florals in here. There's some roses and some bold reds just to kind of pop the blues. So just like that little rosette there, just for like a little bit of contrast to all the blue and sort of dark colors. But really just the imagery in here is like, I think I messaged Anya, the owner of On a Whimsical Adventure, just how much I loved this kit. So yeah, So enjoy, and just enjoy the rest of the flip through to some music. And at the end, I kind of go through some highlights, so you can see a little bit closer up some of the papers in here. So let me know what you guys think of this video, or in this project. And again, hello to new subscribers. Thank you for being here, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.